Your 2019-2022 GMC Sierra key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin battery. When your key fob's range decreases or stops working, it likely needs a new battery. It's a simple DIY task costing about $5 to $10. The battery is a standard CR2032 type. First, locate the small notch or button on the side of your key fob, typically near the key ring. Carefully pry the fob open using a small flathead screwdriver, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within 10 to 20 feet of your vehicle to ensure it's working. If it doesn't work, there may be other problems, or the battery may be faulty. Replace the battery. Remember to avoid cheaper generics since they can corrode contacts. Always check the battery's expiration date before installing it. Keep the fob away from extreme temperatures and moisture. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may require reprogramming. Refer to your GMC Sierra owner's manual for instructions, or take it to a professional. While battery replacement is common, consider emerging trends. Digital keys via smartphone apps are becoming popular, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Sustainability trends point towards rechargeable or solar-powered fobs. Enhanced diagnostics can diagnose key fob issues remotely.